Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the story shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Jamaican energy company Tropical Battery has announced its additional public offer seeking 2.09 billion Jamaican dollars from investors. The offer opens next week. The company is seeking subscription of 954,545,455 ordinary shares with the ability to upsize to 1,122,994,652 shares, priced at $1.87 per share. The APO opens May 22nd and is scheduled to close on June 6th. Sagicor Investment and NCB Capital Markets are the brokers engaged by Tropical Battery. Victoria Mutual Building Society has approved a US $20 million loan to Proven Properties for the completion of its latest Bahari project in Runaway Bay, St. Anne. Bahari, a joint venture between Skillex Development Limited and Proven Properties, is an aspirational gated community offering a mix of villas, townhomes, and condominiums, all thoughtfully designed with modern amenities such as a resort-style swimming pool, gym, jogging trails, clubhouse with an on-site medic station, and smart, eco-friendly home features. Listed companies continue to release their earnings for relevant financial periods. Jamaica Fiberglass Products Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ending March 31, 2025 reports an 88% decline in 3 months net profit. Up next, Honeybun Limited unaudited financials for the 6 months ending March 31, 2025 report 6 months net profit of $121.24 million. And Sagicor Group Jamaica Limited unaudited financials for the first quarter ending March 31, 2025 reports a 296% jump in 3 months net profit. For the trading period ending May 13, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 10,284,790 units traded, representing 42.03% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 4,326,105 units traded, representing 17.68% of market sales volume. Online education provider One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 2,606,099 units traded, representing 10.65% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rate set by the Bank of Jamaica. On May 13, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $79.03 million purchased and US $72.52 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.36 per dollar, selling the US at $159.92 and buying the US at $158.56. The Canadian dollar netted Forex trader $6.39 per transaction, with selling at $115.94 and buying at $109.55. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.58 in profits, with selling at $211.64 and buying at $210.06. For our credit report tip of the day, one of the most overlooked tools in your financial toolkit is your credit score, a quiet indicator of how you handle responsibility, risk, and reliability. And when it's time to present your business idea to investors or bankers, that number can speak volumes before you ever say a word. Whether you're launching a new venture or scaling an existing one, how you manage your personal finances plays a powerful role in how others perceive your business potential. Here are some suggestions from expert financial advisors. A higher credit score qualifies you for premium business credit cards. Better cards offer higher limits, cash back, and financial flexibility to grow your company. Another idea is to use your credit score to help you negotiate better terms. With strong credit, you're in a better position to negotiate loan terms, vendor contracts, and leases. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step forward to your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.